If you are interested in buying, investing in properties in Rwanda, here we have the one for you in Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyange, and yeah, of course in Kigali. So it's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, dining room, living room, a balcony, and also an outside room. And it's in here, Kicukiro, Kagarama, Muyange to be precise, and it's only on 220 million Rwandan francs, negotiable.